Hey Emily, how's it going?
Hi Sophia, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. I was thinking, do you want to go shopping with me?
Sure, I would love that. What are we shopping for?
Well, I have a party coming up next week. And I need a new dress. Do you want to help me pick one?
Absolutely, Sophia. I'm always ready for some dress shopping. Where do you want to go?
There is a big mall. It is not far from here. They have lots of dresses. I think we could find something good there.
Sounds like a great plan. What time should we go to the mall?
How about we meet there at 2 p.m.? That is gonna give us time to browse around.
Perfect. I will be there. Anything else you need to get?
Well, besides the dress, maybe I can get some new shoes. And oh, I need to pick up a birthday card for my mom.
No worries. We can find the shoe store and the card shop at the mall too.
Awesome. It's going to be a whole day of shopping. Are you okay with that?
Yes, I am excited. It sounds like so much fun.
Yes, I agree with you. Also, we can eat at the food court. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea, Sophia. I'm hungry already.
Great. It's a plan then. See you at the mall at 2 p.m.
I will be there at 2 p.m. I can't wait for our shopping adventure.
Same here. See you soon, Emily.
See you, Sophia. Hey Sophia, I am ready to shopping.
I am ready too. There are a lot of things to do. I need to find beautiful dresses for the party.
This mall is huge. Where should we start?
Well, there is a nice dress store on the second floor. Let's find the perfect dress.
Okay, let's go.
Shopping was very good. I enjoyed it, and loved it.
Yes, it was really enjoyable.
I think I am ready to party now.
Absolutely, you are ready.
So, how is your sister? Is she okay?
Yes, she is fine. She goes to school and comes home.
I did not see her for a long time. I really miss her.
Oh, you are so sweet. She miss you so much too.
How is her school going?
She's doing so well in school. Top student of the school.
Nice to hear this.
So, tell me about this party. Isn't the party next week, right?
Yes, Emily. I'm having a party next weekend.
I wanna know all details.
I don't know where to start. My old friend invited me to her house. Because she turned 18.
Oh, that is great. I love birthday parties. And she turns 18. This is a much more meaningful birthday for her.
Yes, absolutely. Do you remember the birthday you turned 18?
Yes, I do.
So, how was it?
It was great. I invited all my friends to my house. It was really fun. How was yours?
Mine was a small party. It was a party just with my family. My mom, dad and sister.
That is nice.
Okay, let's finish our coffees and then time to go.
Okay.
If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. And subscribe for more. See you in the next video.